Now I will show you how you can run connection request campaign plus InMail campaign together. Simply you just need to click on add new campaign, and after this you can write your target audience, job titles, and what you offer you can also write here, and what I want to achieve here you can also put here. For example, if you want to grow my network, then you just need to click on grow my network, and you can also skip this code. So it totally depend on you. And here is a different templates are available. You can choose templates according to your requirement, but in this video I will show you how you can run connection request plus InMail message. And now you can see the different templates are available. You can choose templates according to your requirement. For example, this time we are just choosing open InMail or connection request, both things together. And this is a ready-made template. Just click on create campaign. And now you can see that it will start here, visit profile and then follow profile, and after this if connected is a condition, and then there is action. If not connected, then send the connection request, and again condition if not connected, and then visit profile, like post, and again condition if not connected, then visit profile, like post, and again condition if not connected, then open profile. Expendi will check here if the open profile, then send InMail. And now there is a conditions and actions. So simply these are ready-made templates. You just need to put here the message. This is a complex campaign. Now you can see that because we put here a lot of conditions, lot of actions here. So this is called complex campaign. Simply you just need to click on message, and from here you just need to put here the message according to your requirement. And now I am just putting here the message, and now you can also select here the time, date, everything is available. So you can select all these things according to your requirement. For example, I'm just copying the first message, and then paste here. And different placeholders are available, variables placeholders are available. You can choose according to your requirement. And once you are satisfied, you can also change the time according to your requirement. For example, if you want after 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, after days, 2 days, 3 days, so it totally depends on you. For example, I'm just selecting at the 15 minute. And again different condition and actions are available. You can choose according to your requirement. If connected, you can also put here the follow-up message. Simply I add here the message, so video will not be longer. If I will run a video while I'm putting the message, then this video will be a bigger. So that is why I just put the message, so it will take a shorter time in compared to I will put here the message, it will take too much long time. So I just put the message, and if you want to less the steps from here, you can also less the steps, because this is a complicated campaign. And if you want to less this one from here, you can do. And once you are satisfied with the conditions and actions, and now you can see that once you are satisfied, simply you just need to click on add people. And from add people, you can also get your target audience from existing search, upload CSV file or new URL. And you can also get a CSV file from here. If you are using a LinkedIn basic search, simply you just need to click on new URL search, and here is option of sale navigator, recruiter lite. So different options are available. You can choose according to your requirement. For example, I'm just selecting at the basic search, and if you are using a sale navigator, simply you just need to find your target audience and then copy the URL of your target audience. And if you are using a LinkedIn basic search, simply you just need to click on your LinkedIn basic search and then find your target audience, and different filters are available, and copy the URL and then paste there. and then give the name of the campaign. For example, I'm just giving here the connection request plus InMail. And here you just need to click on auto reload after 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. So in my opinion, 7 days is a good number and it will be automatically uploaded. And now you just need to click on save. And now you can see that Expand is loading your target audience. It will take a few minutes, and you can also check all those things in the settings like campaign name. I just writing here the engage through open InMail and connection request, and different more things are available. You can choose here according to your requirement. For example, from here if you want to select the daily limits, I am just picking here the 30 or 29. You can pick here if your account is new, and then make this under 20. And this is a priority level. You can set here the high level, medium and low. It totally depends on you. If you think that it's a priority level, high priority, then just select here the high. If it is not important and less important, you can select low or medium according to your requirement. For example, I am just selecting here the medium, and if you want to start immediately and if you want to select in different future dates, from here you can select. So it totally depends on you, and different more filters are available. You can choose according to your requirement. And if you want to check the steps, from here you can also check the steps. And here is the people that expand is loaded now. It will take a few minutes, and these are the steps you can check. And you can also change the days, and you can also change the message. It totally depends on you. And now you can see that you can also change the time and dates, and before running the campaign you can also add more actions and conditions. It totally depends on you. And now question is, what are credit InMails and what are free to open profile? So there is a two kind of InMail. One is credit InMail and other is free InMail. Now I want to show the difference. Free InMails means that everybody can send the message. In simple word and tricky word, if somebody use premium account, this will be a free to open profile. And if somebody is not using, and then this will be a credit InMail. So let's take an example so you totally understand about this. For example, Barry, when I just click here the message, and now you can see that it's showing here the credit. Expendi will not send any credit InMail. Expendi will only find a people that are free to open profile. Normally, the trick is yellow label people that are using a premium account. These profile are free to open profile. This will be a, you can say that 80% or 90% guess, not 100%, but 90 or 80%. This will be a correct guess. For example, Kim using a premium account and have a yellow label or premium badge. When I just click here the message, and now you can see that open profile. Expendi find like this profile and send 800 free to open profile InMails per month. And credit Sale Navigator only provide 50. In some Sale Navigator it will provide here 25. And you need to send manual credit InMails. No automation tool can send credit InMails. And if you are using LinkedIn basic search, for example, let's check. She is using a premium badge, and when I just click here, open her profile, and now you can see that. Open her profile and then just click here the message, and now you can see that free message. Let's take one more example so you totally understand. For example, this person, and when I just click here the message, and now it shows the credit. So if somebody using a premium badge or premium account, normally these profile are free to open profile. And if somebody is not using, normally these are credit emails. So like this, Expendi will find people that are using a premium badge and then send free to open profile emails monthly 800. And if they are credit, automation tool will not send credit emails. You should send by manually. And now you can see that our campaign is almost complete the scrapping, and you just need to click on active this one, and now accept and continue, and your campaign will continue on your time that you selected the time zone. So hope you understand how to run open open to profile emails and connection requests together. And if you want to change from here, uh, delete a campaign from here, you can also delete. If you want to create here the template, you can do. And if you want to change the date and something from here, you just need to click on campaign, and from steps you can also change the days, hours, anything according to your requirement, but you cannot modify the actions and conditions. And here is the settings. You can also change the settings. You can also change the name of the campaign, and here you can also change the daily limits, starting date. So different things you can change here, but you cannot change the steps, action and condition. You just need to change here times and dates, not any other things. You can also change the message, but you cannot change the condition and actions. Simply it means that you cannot add here the more conditions, you cannot add here more actions.